Guys, so today I'm going to okay, I'm walking with my brother and my dog after school because my brother picked me up. Yeah, it's so cold. Why do we have to walk? I don't know. Where's my doggy?
Why?
Hi, P. Okay, we are at the park. Yay! Guys, I was gonna drive in my car, but it's wet. Huh?
Yeah. You sit down here first.
Hey, come here. Sit with me. Not there. Sit with me. Sit with me.
Come on.
Come here.
There we
Oh.
go. There we go.
Come. There's my doggy. Oh, hello. Mwah. I am on the slide. I don't know if it's wet. My dog is coming apparently. I don't know if this is wet, but I'm gonna go on the sides. No, I'm going on this here.
It's wet. Stop it. Yeah, it's wet.
I'm going this way. See? I am going down. Okay, I need to get up.
Winter. Winter.
It's winter.
Well, play tic-tac-toe. Come here, buds. Come here, buds. Come here. Come, buds. Where are you going, buds? Come here. Come, buds.
Tic-tac-toe. Yeah.
Good boy.
Okay.
You first.
I'm gonna go with these
You
ones.
X.
I'm X.
Then I circle, okay? Okay, go.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, I circle here as well. Okay, I go pick this. Oh, I cannot pick the circle.
This is messed up. Pretend it's a circle.
Wait, there we go. There we go, okay. What are you picking now? Go.
Oh no!
What happened?
No! I hate you.
What?
Yeah! Yep, did it!
No! Put,
Okay, there.
pick there, okay? Circle.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even know what I was
Put
doing.
the X. I win. I win.
Yeah, my brother won. Guys, my dog is going to go on that one. The baby one. While I go on the adult one. There's my...
This one, PJ.
Lee. Yeah. Ah. Ow, my foot! My foot! Ow, my foot.
I saw that. Okay, go.
Gonna make it to the top.
Oh, do the monkey bars, PJ.
Huh? Oh. Okay, they're gonna go on the spinny. I don't know if you can see them. Where are they? There. But I'm gonna drop my phone. It's gonna land on the bar. Doing this one-handed. I'm so talented. Okay. Oh my head! My beanie fell!
Your beanie.
Where's my beanie? There it is. Something there. I went in poop. This is the worst day. My hand is in poop. Ah! It was on my pinky and my ring finger. Okay. I wiped it on the rope and some of that. I washed my hands and I'm all good.
Bag. Put your bag.
Oh. Washed my hand, it's all good. Yeah. Now we're going back home. Yeah. This will be the end of the video. This is just random, I felt like recording it. Go to see more. Yeah, okay, bye. Doggy, then there's me. There's my doggy. There's me and my brother. Guys, it's so windy. I don't like it. I didn't end the video. Jane Falls, JK. So we're going back home now. I'm gonna film some more. Just film what we saw like 10 million mushrooms. He smelled his own. We saw his own poop on the way. On the looking. Hey ho. Oh my, you're going too fast. Hope no. Hey. Hey. Look at that butt. Look at it. Zooming into that butt. Okay. My dog is a muddle. Yes. Yeah, look at that butt. Hypey or not? Oh god. Okay, that filming skill's okay. Look and brother, yeah. I zoomed into your butt. Yeah. Almost home. Okay. Yep. Hello. There's my dog's butt again. And then there's me. Because I am the best. In the video, my dog says bye. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.